Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Banner Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search Banner Bank Login. Then go to Banner Bank or directly go to www.bannerbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Banner Bank. There, click to sign in from the top right corner. It will then redirect you to a login portal. There, enter your login ID, then enter your password. Then click Login, and you should be able to access your Banner Bank account. To make login easier, you can click to Remember Me, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Your Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.